Hi, gentlemen. 99.9% of the woman, you will attracting them. All women, they always getting very, very hot when you say this. I know a lot of gentlemen sometimes always wonder what exactly I can giving to a woman, what exactly I can say to a woman in order to attract the one which I want. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter. Either your fiancé, your wife, your girlfriend, or sometimes the woman which you love the most. When you say this, you will attracting all women, 99% of the woman. You need to understand about that. So what exactly you really need to say to a woman? What are those words? You need to have it on you. Watch this video till the end and I will just giving you a secret reveal about